What's up, guys and gals? I'm your host, Mike Pugh of the FPC Virtual Channel, and you're tuning in to more of a walkthrough and how to sign up to what is known as XenZuu. XenZuu is a very new social platform. I believe it's very new. I thought that it was something from an old time period from 2008, but actually that was spelled XenZuu. This one is spelled XenZuu, which is very similar, just one letter difference. I don't know if they're affiliated with each other or somewhat tied together or anything like that, or a spin-off from one or the other. I have no idea about all that stuff. All I do know is that XenZuu showed up, popped up, and now it's here. And within about 3 or 4 months ago, I think 4 months ago is all I could find in terms of research on when it got started, around January time of 2018. We're actually currently in March 21st of 2018. So say you wanted to join this, definitely check out this video's description area. I'm also going to put and post the actual link, invite, affiliate link, invite, and the voucher. Y'all folks should be seeing it on the screen right here, up in the upper area around where the XenZuu website should be. It's going to pop up here at that moment. I'm going to edit this video so y'all folks can check that out. If you wanted to use it, to try it, to spin it, to see if it's going to work for you. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to earn a dime from XenZuu, because what it is, it's actually a multi-level marketing type of social platform. And they put a multi-level marketing matrix behind it. So basically, you're joining this not just for the fact that you want to join another Facebook or another Twitter or another Instagram or whatever. Pretty much most social networks are identical in how they function in terms of you posting up whatever you choose to post. So why would you want to join XenZuu as well? Well, you can actually earn something from it. And that's the difference between a lot of other platforms that are free, that you don't earn anything back in return. Now, that's not to say that you can't earn anything on Facebook. They have ways for you to earn money on Facebook, but obviously you have to be some sort of a marketer, some sort of entrepreneur that knows what they're doing on Facebook in order to earn something. And that's that part, right? Now, also, you have to pay a lot of money out on Facebook to keep that marketing scheme going. Whatever type of marketing program or whatever type of marketer you are, you realize that Facebook will charge you to get your stuff marketed, to get your Facebook ads marketed to more people, to get your pages noticed over the norm that you usually get, right? So with XenZuu, you're going to be paying something as well if you choose to become a premium member, but it's a one-time payment on each level, which is pretty good. And I like that concept, and instead of reoccurring payments like you would actually have to do on Facebook. And then with XenZuu, since it has a multi-level marketing concept, every time you invite somebody, that adds to your network, and it adds net worth to your potential that you can earn. So how does that work? If they choose to actually upgrade to premium, you can earn more. And so let's get started with the registration. I just wanted to explain that and break it down just a slight bit, give you an introduction to how XenZuu would actually benefit you and why you would want to join. So with registering, where it says I am, you basically would actually put your information in here just like anything else. Put your email, so I am, and you put whatever sex you choose, your gender, whatever. Everybody has their own gender biases and choices, whatever. It's all up to you. Username, email, password, and in this area is really important to add a voucher. This voucher is going to come directly from me if you chose to join from me, or it has to come directly from the person who invited you. So if you use someone else's voucher, say you chose to go on to Google and try to find someone else's voucher, that's going to ruin that lead, and you're going to lose that connection to the person that invited you. So I highly recommend for you to ask them for their voucher if they chose not to give the actual voucher out. So that's really something important. And where is the voucher when you choose to join? I'm going to show y'all folks the flip side once you choose to join. So this is the sign up screen. Putting in that voucher is important. And why? Like I said, you don't want to use someone else's voucher. You want to use the one who invited you, which would be me. If you chose to join through me, then use the voucher that I submitted as well together. And you're going to earn that. You're going to earn up to, actually, you're going to earn $2. So you're going to earn 2 USD for putting in that person's voucher. Let's go to XenZuu back office. So when you become part of XenZuu, you're not going to have your information added yet. So you're going to obviously start from scratch, like you're starting anywhere from scratch online. You're going to have to put in your actual image for your profile. So you go add your profile image, add your background, whatever, your banner. Pretty much this is working out your, more like trying to give your profile an identity and or brand. So if you're a brand, if you're a business, you can work this side out and put your brand in there and work on your logo. So this would be your company logo, a business logo, and this would be where your brand identity banner would show up. If you're an entrepreneur, definitely go for branding this location. I highly recommend it because then people will notice it based on your brand. And if you're a social personality and you already been using a certain username, make sure you use that same username and all your identity information be the same across multiple platforms so people already know and can recognize who you are. That's recommendations for that. Now let's go to home. We go click the home link. This is for folks who are just getting started. And now you're going to look and you're going to notice all these different links, but you don't have to worry about anything out here besides the back office when it comes to getting access to your referral link, which is here, and your voucher. Your voucher is right below the referral link, and it's good for your invitees. So whoever you chose to invite, who become your downline, if they choose to join, they need to use your voucher. If they don't use your voucher upon sign up through here, then they can actually try someone else's voucher. That's why I indicate it's really important to share that information and let them know if they want to join through you to use your voucher. And once they get on, they have to do the same. If they don't, and it's mixed up and they use the link from you but not your voucher and they use someone else's voucher, the other person's going to get the credit. And that's kind of messed up that it's like that, but that's how it ended up happening to me. So just wanted to get y'all folks, caught up with that kind of information. If you're just getting started with XenZuu, that's basically how to get started. If you want to learn more, I have much more in store. I have more videos coming down the pipe. I'm actually brewing up a great deal of videos for folks to understand it. I don't know how long XenZuu is going to last. I don't know how effective it's going to be for you or for me or for anyone, because so far I have about 6 days on the platform. It shows right here active days. In the last 30 days I have 6. So upon a whole month going by, I may have much more earnings. So far I earned about 15 cents, and then I got the $2 voucher. But that doesn't mean anything. I can still grow and I can expand. I have a direct invite downline of 6, and I have indirect invite, which my total network is 32, because a great deal of people in my network are adding more people. So that's how that works. I did make some videos recently about the actual downlines and how the network works based on downlines. You have these links here, you can click them and go to it, but I'm not going to explain it too much. This is basically the visual on my downline and how it's broken down. And then I can go to this one, and this is breaking down the numbers per se in more like an actual layout. So this is more like a little layout screen where it gives you all the information and you can keep track of this stuff. And you can actually click on these links to go to those individuals' profiles and be able to interact with them and keep up with them if you chose to do that. I highly recommend for y'all folks to do that, definitely for your direct child, your direct children on the network. One level deep is child, the next one is grandchild, and then great grandchild. So like 2 levels. This is the second level. That means that Paul invited this person, and so on and so forth. And then this person invited this and this person here under Paul. So that's basically how that works. When you get level 4, that means that it was a person that you invited, and they invited someone, and then someone else invited them. It's just one after the next after the next. And you can go down to about 10 levels deep on your network, and that's pretty good. And you're earning off of all the levels on different percentages, basically. And then you can earn more by upgrading. But I talked about that in another video. I'm going to showcase that on my channel so y'all folks can get into that kind of stuff, the earning potential, how to get things going. Hopefully y'all folks like what you see so far and you're willing to give it a try. XenZuu definitely has a great income earning potential starting out, and it's best to get in early. So that's why I'm putting out these videos for y'all folks, and also to potentially grow out my network and help other people to grow out their network. If y'all folks want to grow with me, with my actual community growing, feel free to join. Feel free to sign up through my actual invite, through my link affiliate invite, and also through the voucher. And I'll see y'all folks in the next videos on XenZuu. Joy, love, and peace to all. Mike Pugh is signing off. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to hit the thumbs up if it's your first time getting onto FPC Virtual, because you're going to be able to get much more videos. I'm putting out a lot of videos on XenZuu. I'm also doing a series on Adobe Dimension, which is a 3D modeling tool. I do a lot of different stuff. You can check my channel for that stuff as well. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.